Hello viewers, today we are here with another amazing video for you. You can use these cool LED lights for home decoration and making your home attractive. In this video we will show you how can you light up your room by connecting two bulbs. How solar energy can be used for security purposes, how your walls can turn into club beautiful lights, and how you can take steps which will produce light.
This incredible lamp is known as the Heng balance lamp. With two wooden balls, the lamp may be turned on and off. The lower wooden ball will be drawn to the upper wooden ball when you lift it, turning on the light. 48 LED light beads, 300 lumens, 50,000 hours of battery life, and a 3500 K color temperature are all included. It will provide you with a cozy home, warm light for your eyes, and materials for environmental and mental protection. It has an elliptical design, with the lighting component integrated into the frame so that light can escape. We used premium beech wood to build the Heng lamp because its soft curvature makes it easy on the eyes and peaceful. We wanted you to feel connected to nature. This artistic lamp is suitable for the study, bedroom, office, etc. because it serves as a work of art in addition to being a light source. When you reach the top or bottom step, these motion sensor activated LED stair lights automatically turn on to brighten your steps, and they turn off when people leave. Even if you are not a professional installer, you can still install it effortlessly because the kit includes all the pieces you need and they are prepared for quick and easy installation. Have a look at these awesome color LED dimmable gaming and home decor wall lights. It offers three advantageous features. Number 1, truly customizable smart lighting. With modular panels, you can design entirely own layouts. You have an option of linear, geometric, or completely abstract, big, little, or huge. Use hexagons, triangles, or mini triangles alone or combine them using Connect Plus technology to create many design possibilities. Number 2, see your music liven up in your own house. Turn your favorite tunes into a light show reminiscent of a music festival. Check out the Pop Rocks rhythm scene to see your lights move to the music. Sync your lights with screen mirror. Utilize the Nanoleaf screen mirror function to join in on the action. For an immersive experience unlike anything you've seen before, match your lighting to the colors from your gaming. It has easy setup. The lights which we are installing now is called LED Bobo balloons, light up balloons. These are used for decoration that glows in the dark. Our glowing balloons can be filled to a height of roughly 20 inches and maintain their air pressure for up to 7 days without leaking. The brightness and clear Bobo will liven up the celebration. These are trustworthy and elastic. These bubble 20-inch, expanded size, LED balloons are manufactured of safe opaque, which has excellent elasticity and is not easily torn or broken. They will make for some really cool additions to parties. These are simple to assemble. Simply fill the giant balloons with air or helium. Do not use your mouth to inflate balloons. Here is LED photo clip string lights. Plug-in USB operated string lights with a remote control. Warm white LED lights produce a charming and passionate ambience. Remote control is available to choose from the following modes: combination, in wave, sequential, slow glow, chasing/flash, slow fade, twinkle/flash, steady on. Fantastic for birthday parties, engagement parties, wedding parties, Christmas card displays, and romantic Valentines. These photo clip string lights can be powered by a mobile power bank, which is highly practical for you. By pressing the button on the USB plug, you can turn the lights on and off without the remote. Portable, available anywhere, and transportable for both indoor and outdoor application. This amazing device is called Lanterna Touch. It offers one-touch operation. Touch lamps may be turned on and off with a single touch of the top. On-the-go lighting, ideal as a camping light in RVs, campers, boats, or tents. Add immediate lighting without a plug. 12 energy-efficient LEDs produce an ultra-bright 200-lumen LED bulb that never needs to be replaced. If you love marine life and aquariums, check this EcoQubeC Aquarium. It is a handcrafted piece of lovely living decor for a home or business desk. Your betta fish tank is transformed into a pristine, self-sustaining habitat using low-maintenance aquaponics technology. It has simple setup: plug in, add water, seeds or green onions, and watch your shrimp or fish tank flourish. And feel the ocean on your desk. The world is shifting towards solar energy, which is eco-friendly and clean. If you also want to contribute towards clean energy, so check these solar motion sensor lights outdoor. These lights works as watchmen as they detect the motions during night and give signals using light. The solar energy conversion rate of the monocrystalline silicon solar panel used by the solar motion sensor light has grown from 17% to 22%, allowing for faster charging during the day and extended nighttime illumination. The security lamp with a solar motion sensor is fairly sensitive to motion detection and reacts fast by turning on the light. Motion can be detected up to 32 feet away at an angle of 160 degrees. When compared to other similar lights on the market, outdoor solar lights perform far better. Solar deck lights offer 180 degrees angle of brilliant, uniform illumination.